select equipment and furnishing for equipment modeling. After that, you go to file and define workspace. Filter, you have to create a filter. You can create new filter, otherwise you can use existing filter already created in the lesson 1. So I am going to take that filter. This is a chapter 1. Then OK, then OK. See, it's okay, it's came. This is the system hierarchy. You can see how to create the system hierarchy in lesson 1. After select the tasks equipment furnishing, the task oriented tools available in the corner. Okay. For equipment modeling, you have to select this icon, place designed equipment. Select this equipment system and click the place design equipment icon. And go to equipment, and which type of equipment you want, you can select from this list. I'm going to model process and horizontal vessel and horizontal drum with saddle. You see, this is the reference only, it's not a created equipment. Then click OK. Give the name of your equipment. Example C1 and description. And select the system. More the equipment system. Then OK. Then OK. Axis will appear on your screen. Click on screen on anywhere. Okay, then select the common view tool. Drag and drop here. If you select the corner, isometric view will appear. The north position will appear here. So x-axis should be in north position. In this case, we can rotate your axis using with arrow keys. For that, using the arrow key left or right arrow key for rotation. Axis will appear in blue color, it's locked. We can rotate this XY and select the equipment and go to place shape and click the shape will available you can take from the shape from the palette. I'm going to select the circular cylinder, then click. I'm going to give just example 5000 of the A. This is the A dimension and B is the dia 1000. Then OK. Click on anywhere in the screen. Cylinder is ready. Now go to the tools. This is the fit tools. Just click that one. Okay. After that, this axis is not in the properly in model. So you have to move the axis on the center of the cylinder. In this case, go to equipment, click and right click and select reference coordinate system. This is it's called RCS. Click that one, select it and just move it the center. Click the move option and lock the axis. For locking, click the scroll button. So axis is locked and move the cursor on the midpoint and click. Okay, now it's in the proper position. Okay, after that we have to model and dish in on both sides. Go to place shape and click and hold. In some seconds, the palette will be appear here and select the semi-elliptical head. scheme. A is the diameter of cylinder. I'm going to give the 1000 of the diameter, and B is this dimension. I'm going to give 300. Then OK. Now it's came. Lock the center of axis and move and click the proper position. It came. Now need to rotate. For that use the arrow keys for rotation. Okay. Again another dish, we have to model the opposite position and select the place shape, same dimension, and click OK. Unlock the center of axis and move the cursor and fix that one, and you can change the view. Then I am going to model the saddle. For saddle, go to shape and click, hold some seconds and take the platform and select. A is platform width. It's the thickness of saddle. I'm going to give 50. B is the height, platform height. I'm going to give 500. C is the radius of cylinder, 500. Degree is 120. Then OK. Skim and go to select the axis, unlock the axis, and rotate the saddle for using arrow keys. After that, give the distance from the 0 point. Just example, I am going to give the 1000 from the reference point. The saddle height, saddle width is 500. So the 0 point is the corner of the saddle now. So minus 250 and give the 750. Then enter. Then click on the screen. OK. Again go to shape, select platform, same dimension, click OK, and lock the center of axis and switch the isometric view and rotate the saddle. OK. From the reference point, from here the 1000. For that 4250 and then click on screen. Now saddle is properly modeled and isometric view. After that, we have to model the support of both sides. Go to place shape and select. A is the this axis, x-axis, their dimension is 300. Okay, B dimension, this axis, y axis, and z is 1000. Then click OK. East elevation is, give the 0, enter, lock, and the elevation is, I'm going to give 850, enter. Now you can change the view. Now it's properly, it's came. Then you can see also the center of on northeast 1000. Enter and change the view. It's not in a proper position, should be minus 150. So northeast 850. Enter. Then click on screen. And you can change the view. It's properly modeled. Again, you have to model the other side and go to shape and select. For reference, click on the equipment. Everything's okay. Then click OK. Then same procedure. East is 0. Enter, and elevation is minus 850. Enter. The north value is 3850. Then click on screen. OK. You can rotate. For rotation, click the icon. This is the rotate view. Again click fit screen, then click isometric. Okay, now we are going to model nozzle. We can model nozzles to type. So type 1 is by the axis and the datum, using with the datum point. I'm going to model using with the datum point. Select the equipment and click on hold, and this is the datum shape. Select that one. The height is okay. Then give OK and lock the axis, and position is plus the 0. Okay, this is the datum point DP. Okay, and go to nozzles, place nozzle and select that one. For reference, select the datum point. Okay, first nozzle size, I'm going to give 18-inch. Okay, and select this one. You can select the class. I'm going to go 150 class. And nozzle length, I'm going to give 250. Okay, and nozzle name is M1, it's a manhole, and select pipe straight nozzle and location. We have to select radial, tangential, axial. We are using three type. I am going to model axial type. So select axial. Axial means it will come like this. And one is disc height is 300 plus 250, totally minus 550. Enter. N2 is this direction is N2. I'm going to use 0. Orientation is 0 degree. Then OK. This is the nozzle scheme properly. You can change the view. Then you can change the height of nozzle. You can modify for using this icon. So nozzle properties. You can modify the height, everything. Okay, otherwise you can modify here also. I given 350 of the height. This is the axial type. Again, I am going to model the radial type. Select place nozzle and select the DP of for reference. The nozzle size is 6 inch. I'm going to give 6 inch and class 150. OK. The nozzle name is, I'm going to give example N1. Nozzle length 250. OK. And select location. Change the axis. I'm going to model the radially. Select the radial. Radial means it will come 0 degree, 90, 180, like that. N1. First N1 is distance from the datum point 3000, and N2 is distance from the center of the cylinder 500 plus height, so 750. Enter. Angle is 0 degree. Then OK. It came the radially. We can modify using its properties. If you want to perpendicularly, you can modify. If the angle is 90, then OK. Okay, again we are going to model in top side. Again go to nozzle, place shape, select nozzle. For reference, select the datum point. Again we are going to model radially. The angle is 270 degree. Distance, I'm going to give example 500. Then OK. Scheme top side. Like this you can create nozzle and positioning. And again I am going to create the tangentially. Further go to nozzle. For reference, click the datum point. Select from here tangential. For N1 is distance from the datum point, and N2 from the center of axis, and N3 is offset. Distance OK, N1, N2. This height is OK, N3 offset is. I'm going to give 250. Angle is 180. Then give OK. Like this, you can model the nozzle tangentially. You can change the height from here itself. We can modify the nozzle size and go to properties. Use this icon, nozzle properties. Select appearance. Change the size of nozzles. I'm going to give 2 inch and go to location. I'm going to give 500. And click, then apply, then OK. You can change the view. You can copy and paste the nozzles. Just select the nozzles and select the copy icon and click on the screen and select the paste icon and paste in place, then select OK. Nozzle will be created on same location. You can change the nozzle name from here itself, like N5, and go to properties. And give the distance of N1 nozzle. Then OK. Go to the view, you can change the views. Subscribe our channel and click the bell button for notification of our upcoming videos. Thank you.